Hello guys, in today's video we have a pretty helpful tool which is command prompt. Command prompt is still a very useful tool to have at your disposal. We are going to demonstrate all the numerous ways to open the command prompt for you today. We assume that not all of them are familiar to you. Although it is simple to launch the command prompt from the start menu, it isn't the only option. So let's look into the remaining steps. Our first step is to use the run box. Now, to use the run box on your keyboard, once again, press Windows key plus R and a dialog box like this will open. Then you type in CMD, and you click on OK. Or better still, if you want it to open as an admin, you press Ctrl Shift and then enter and press yes, and it will open as an administrator. So you close this. Now we move to the next step. The next step we are going to be using is using the task manager. To perform this task, right click on your task bar and click on task manager. Now under the task manager, click on file, run new task, and type in CMD and click on OK, and our command prompt is opened and we are having access to it. So close this. Now the next step is using our start button. On the start button here on the screen, on the start menu button here at the screen, right click on it, and as you can see we have run here, so click on that. Now you type in CMD once again and you are good to go. So likewise, if you want it to run as an administrator, when you type the CMD on your keyboard, press Ctrl Shift plus enter and it will open as an administrator. And that is how to do it. Now the next step is we are going to be opening the command prompt from our file explorer. Now to do this, to perform this task, click on your file explorer, go to the search bar and type in CMD and just press enter and our command prompt is opened. Now another way to open it is open this PC, whether on your desktop, or you go to your, if it is not on your desktop, you go to your start and search for this PC. Here you open that. Under this PC, open your drive C. On your drive C, on your hard drive, open the Windows folder, and on the Windows folder, scroll down and search for System32. Alright, search for System32 folder, open that, and on this folder you have access to command prompt. So let's just type CMD. Yes, and we have it here. So just double click it and our command prompt is opened. So that is how to run command prompt
using this PC or accessing it through drive C.
So guys, these are some of the ways to have access to your command prompt. If this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like, and if you are having any question, leave it in the comment section, and we see you in the next video. Peace out.